Most times, when you're trying to install APK app on your Samsung phone, it should say can't install app from unknown sources. Auto blocker is on. To keep your phone safe, you can only install app from authorized sources. Now with this, you'll not be able to install APK app on your Samsung phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix install from unknown app not working on Samsung or can't install app from unknown sources on your Samsung phone. So once this comes up, the first thing you want to do is just click on the OK button and it should say app not installed. As you can see, this APK app is not installed. Now to install this APK application on your Samsung phone, you need to turn on the auto blocker feature on your device. To do this, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now scroll down and tap auto blocker. Then make sure auto blocker is turned off. Here, turn that off. Then you should see pop that says turn off auto blocker. Auto blocker keeps your phone safe by blocking threat and other suspicious activities. Hit the turn off. You can always turn this on when you are done installing the APK file. Then once auto blocker is disabled, let's go back to the application we are installing. Now open the APK app again. Done. Then open it again. Then tap on the install button. Hang on for this application to install on your Samsung phone. Just hang on while this application installs on your Samsung phone. Now this might take a couple of seconds depending on the size of the file and how long the developer wants this application to install on your Samsung phone. Once the application is installed successfully, you should see app installed. You can either hit the done button or click on the open button. Now tap the open button to open this APK file on your Samsung phone. As you can see, we've successfully installed the APK file on our Samsung phone while it first says app not installed or can install app from unknown sources. If you found this really helpful and insightful, you want to hit like button, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.